What I want, beautiful people. Stay tuned to watch how I use these items to make this lovely side table. Don't leave. Okay, so this is actually a bin that I bought at Ikea. Ensure that the bottom bit of the bin is clean. Remove the tag from it so that you can glue both bins together. That was the hardest part, removing the tag. Next, you want to put your glue on, hot glue, and then you're going to just glue both bins together. All right. Please subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. Share this with a friend, share the page with a friend, and thank you so much. I appreciate all my subscribers and viewers. Bye bye.